Hey y'all, Miscellaneous Michelle. I want to come to y'all real quick because I just got a $100 plant for $40. I actually went to the register with this huge bird of paradise that I found, and I showed him a few dead leaves that this plant had, and I said, well, can I be accommodated because I want this plant. This is the last one, but as you see, it has a few struggling leaves. And he said, well, how much do you want to pay? How much would you like to take off? And I was like dumbfounded. I didn't know what to say. So I said, well, can I pay $40? And I felt like I was stealing, y'all. So he went for it, and I got this huge plant. I'm walking home with it. I'm gonna show y'all in a minute. Let me see. So here's the huge plant that I have here. This is a bird of paradise. I'm mad because I came here 2 days ago and they had a better looking one. Well, they actually had two, but the thing is, someone that came that fast and purchased it. So I didn't have much to choose from, but I still wanted this bad boy. And as you'll see, it has like 3 stalks in the pot. So I said, this bad boy is coming with me. Okay, I've been looking all over the web for one of these bad boys, and I actually found one here at Home Depot and wound up getting a daggone discount. But I gotta hurry up, y'all, because my bus is coming and I'm taking this bad boy in the bus with me. I gotta hurry up and get back home before my son gets home. But I'm a little embarrassed, y'all. But I got what I wanted and I feel good. Okay, y'all, so I got my plant and I'm now at the bus stop. I'm trying to get the camera at a good angle where so y'all guys can see everything because I forgot my tripod at home, so that's up. But let me back the part on it so y'all can see. I'm here waiting for my bus. That's how big that bad boy is. Pretty hilarious, huh? People are walking around me right now, driving past me and everything else. And I'm not as embarrassed as you would think because I'm more happy than anything. As y'all see, I'm in the bus stop with my plant. Decided to come and take a seat in here since everybody else got on the bus, and I have this little area to myself, and I wanted to get some more footage for y'all. So I'm about to eat a Slim Jim because I actually didn't eat any breakfast today, y'all. So, yep, waiting for my bus, and I just can't wait to get back home because I feel like a fool, y'all, with this big old plant. But hey, it's all good. I actually got these. I bought 2 of these. These dog bones. These are buffalo ears. I can't wait to get home and give that to my dog. And today was actually my son's first day of school too, so I'm a little worried about him. And trying to hurry up and get back home so I can get there in time. I have plenty of time, but I just want to get home. That's all, y'all. Yep. I cannot believe I'm out here with this daggone plant. Let me see. I'm thinking about actually coming back tomorrow and getting another one, in which most likely I am. They have a smaller one. It's not as tall, but it's damn near catching up. So I'm actually going to come back tomorrow and get that one too, because I can probably place that one in my hallway. Yup. So I'll keep you guys posted. I'm actually eating a spicy Slim Jim. And I don't got nothing on my stomach when I'm hungry. So before I went to Home Depot, I had stopped in the dollar store just to get a quick snack. I feel good today, y'all. Hope y'all feeling good too, and hope y'all enjoying this daggone video. Alright now. Guys, what would y'all do if y'all was on the bus and a passenger came on the bus with a huge plant? Like, what would be y'all reaction? You know? But then the thing is, like, people get on the bus with I said, what the hell am I saying now? People get on the bus with dogs and everything, and so if that's allowed, why can't I get on the bus with my daggone plant? And the people not look at me like I'm crazy, or look at me like it's foreign, you know? Shoot, yesterday I was on the bus and a man got on the bus with a pit bull. And I don't know if it was a daggone care dog or whatever the hell you call them things, but it scared the hell out of me, and I didn't complain. Nor did I stare at him too hard alone. So, what are y'all thoughts on that?
No, I am not. I can't because it's already on the curb. No, I can't because it's already on the curb. Last stop. This is not a Wilmington bus.
So what will pick up next?
What bus go to Wilmington from here, man?
Please have your fare ready and be seated after boarding. 46, People's Plaza.
Excuse me, sir. Do you need anybody need an all-day pass? That lady was miserable.
More on me, sir.
There you go. Shame. So I just got off the bus, and the bus driver, well, I'll tell you guys this story when I get home. I'm pissed off.